Hello everybody, John here, and today on To The Garage we're paying tribute to one of our very generous super subscribers, Gary Van Remortel. Gary has been a subscriber to the channel for a long time and has always been very generous with his advice and guidance, and has shared with me and many others through forums his extensive literature he's created. His 2003 to 2008 Jaguar XK8 Bible is an amazing piece of work to which he is constantly adding. It contains all sorts of technical details that I've not been able to find elsewhere, details of the mods, maintenance and tweaks that he's carried out on his XK8, and much more. Gary has very generously asked that To The Garage should host the online version of his document, and there will be a permanent link available in the description of this video, plus in a community tab of the channel's homepage. Please subscribe, please thank Gary in your comments.